So, how do you back up your initial Drift Online save file? It's an important trick to know, because if you uninstall the game or reinstall Windows, you will lose all of your progress. Now the process isn't that difficult. The first thing you want to do is press the Windows key and R. This will open Run, and in this you want to type in regedit. This is a registry editor. In here you want to go to HKey, current user, software, you find the Rewind app folder, and then you have this initial drift folder. This is your save file, this folder. So you want to right click this and go to export. This is the save, let's say. And in here you want to type in any file name you want. So like IDO save file or whatever. Just save this wherever you want, it really doesn't matter. So this file that has been created is now your save file. When you want to reinstall, let's say reinstall your save file, you want to double click it. It will bring up this little thingy, you press yes, and then it says to you, okay, it's all been changed, it's all fine. And now your save file has been reinstalled. So as a little proof of how this works, I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm in game, you can see I have my save file, you can see my level, my money, whatever. I can exit out completely. Next up I'm going to remove this initial drift folder, so just delete. If I now start initial drift online, my save file should be gone. No, not that big resolution, thank you very much. Let's hope this doesn't take too long to load. And there we go. Let's see, my save file should be gone now, yes. So as you can see, it's back to a clean account. And the music is still playing. Please stop. Please stop. Anyway, so we're back to default. I'm going to run that file I made, the IDO1 registry save file. There we go. Yes, okay. And now, when I see this, it should be filled in again. And when I open initial drift, it should have my save file again. There we go, it's back to my old settings. Let's put these on lesser, and it should have all my stuff back. Or I just lost everything, we'll see. Oh, there we go. All my stuff is back, and you can see, so that's how you make a backup of your save file. That's it, that's everything you have to do. You can even do some fun things with this, like load your friend's save file, or even just make and download a 100% completed save file, should be possible as well. Anyway, don't abuse it that much, good night and have fun.